you're gonna put your moisturizer all over your face, and then that's it, you're done. That's it. That's the tutorial, guys. Bye. See ya. That's it. That's all I got. Look at it. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jamie B. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I am going to be doing the easiest makeup tutorial that I could provide to you guys to give you that beautiful glowy look. Looked like you did something with your face. All of that good stuff, and it's super easy, super simple, very few steps. So if you want to see what my super easy makeup tutorial is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom of this video and we will get right into it. Alright guys, so we're gonna get right into this. This is my easiest makeup tutorial that I could provide to you guys. It's basically a no makeup look, if you will. There's a pretty good amount of makeup detailed into this look. There won't be any face makeup, so if you're looking for like foundation, full glam, pop-in, concealer, contour, it's not this video. This is not the one. So you're gonna want to pop to one of my other videos. But today is gonna be a super easy, super simple makeup tutorial. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to prep your face with your moisturizer. That is a 100% must. That's a must even when you do a full glam look, but when you do less makeup, I feel like I have to put more on just to make my skin look so good. So after you get your moisturizer on, you're going to move to, if you have it, I do recommend getting one, but this is a skin balm. It is by Touch and Soul. It is the Glassy Skin Balm. You should have something like this just because when you do those really natural days, this kind of stuff, it's like a highlighting moisturizer. It's gonna give your skin that extra glow that it needs on the days that you're just not doing it on your own. But what I do is I put it over my moisturizer and just look at that. Like just naturally looks like glowy from within kind of look. It's just basically like a glowy moisturizer. The next thing I'm gonna do is my brows. So I go in with a colored brow gel or tinted brow gel. This is Ebony in the ABH brow gel. It's tinted, pretty dark for my hairs. I would just lightly stroke over my hairs just to give them a little bit more color. Nothing crazy, and then I go in with a clear gel and I fluff them up. I don't fluff them up with the tinted one because it starts to get on your skin. If you want to do full brows, you totally can. I just don't prefer to do full brows when I'm doing such a natural makeup look. And also, if you like shave your eyebrows, obviously you will still have to draw them on. So there will be some things that you can do to take this to the next step. Like if you have some imperfections, you know, you may not want to do a full face of foundation, but you can go ahead with concealer and just touch up over those imperfections that you want to. I always recommend if you do go in with the concealer just to touch up on a few things after your base, you definitely want to use one that is your color. So now the next step is I will go in with that clear gel, because with clear gel I can just go over and over and it won't mess up my skin. But with tinted brow gel, if you do that, it'll start to transfer onto your skin if you don't have super full brows, and then it's not good. If you have super full brows, I honestly would just go in with just a clear brow gel. So the next thing after you do your brows, we're gonna go into the eyes. Today I'm gonna be using the KKW Beauty. It's just a 5-pan palette. I don't really know what it's called. It came as a set. I just got it and I figured I would try to use it today. I've just swatched it. So basically you can use any palette you have that has just like nudes or neutrals or like a taupe, and then any that, as long as it has a shimmer. So you don't have to specifically use this palette, but this is just the one that I wanted to try out and see. Another way to like amplify this if you wanted to is you could put down a base, but when I'm doing something like this, I do not worry about an eye base because it's quick, it's easy, it's out the door. So we're gonna use a color like this shade right here, which is the taupey color, and it is the shade Suede on her palette. So basically I'm going to put that in the crease and I'm just going to blend up to my brow. And again, if you feel like you need a base to cover any like discoloration on your eye, then you totally can do that if you want. I just choose not to do that when I'm doing this because I'm trying to make it the easiest and quickest I can to get out the door but still look like I gave it a little something. I am 100% stressed out today, guys. My camera, I have a Canon T7i and my camera keeps the ISO just keeps changing in the middle of filming, and I don't know what to do. I have asked friends, asked family, people who have cameras, and I'm running into a wall here. I've updated the software, I've done everything that it asked me to do, and it's still doing it, and it'll start to like manually focus even though it's not, or it'll start to autofocus even though it's in manual. I don't really know what's happening with it, so if it goes in and out or it seems blurry, just bear with me. I am doing my best. I am going to have it looked at, but right now I just cannot because it's like the middle of the evening and I've had a mental breakdown because of it. Like I know it sounds like really small, but when I have sat here for hours and I filmed 3 videos and then the footage is unusable because you can't even see me in it because it's so blurry or washed out, it's kind of stressing. But that's how my weekend is going. How is your guys' week going? Hopefully better than mine. Thanksgiving was really nice. My sister, my nephews, and my brother-in-law came over. We had some food, we had some dessert, and, you know, not too bad. All right, so the next step is gonna be just a shimmer. I usually use like a champagne-y color. You can use a champagne color to like a gold color, but I wouldn't do super dark just because this is like just a quick, easy tutorial. You can, if you want to make it bolder, that would be a step you could do, is to use a darker color or like a shimmer that's like blue or something or green. But today we're just doing a champagne gold color. And we're gonna put it on the lid and we're gonna use our finger and we're just gonna go right on up to a little over the crease. The baby's birthday party was Saturday because she turned 1 on the 25th. We had a birthday on Saturday. So this weekend has just been like really eventful and not too stressful, honestly, but trying to get in here and do my 5 videos because I do batch film, and then to find out like your camera and stuff doesn't work, it's like, okay, I'm done. Like I don't know what to do at this point but just sit here and laugh. So after you put that on with your fingers, you're literally gonna go back into that same taupey color and you're going to blend out the crease and then up, because what that's gonna do is it's gonna bring the shimmer up just a little bit, but it will also bring that matte in to just make it look like you just put it on so effortlessly and just blend it all together. So that's basically it for that part. You can, if you want, sometimes I will go to my under eye with some color, the taupey color, just to give like under my eye a little bit of life. So the next thing that I do want to do is I'm gonna go into a highlighting palette. You can use the same palette you're working with or whatever you want to use, and I'm gonna go into a lighter color, and with a pencil brush I'm gonna go into the inner corner and just pop a shimmer in there. The next step, it's super easy, is gonna be mascara. I think that mascara is obviously a #1 item that you need when you're doing a simple makeup look, because mascara is going to seriously make any look like you tried really hard. If you don't do mascara, like you could just tell the difference in like an eye look with mascara and then an eye look without, you know what I mean? Put a little volume in there, and then I will go in with the length and curl in just a second after I just let it get a little air dry a little bit, and I will length and curl the lashes. And like I said, just mascara puts everything together. It's right along the sides with a lipstick. So I feel like mascara and lipstick or lip item are 100% necessary even in a no makeup look or a natural makeup look, because they're gonna be what pops. So the mascara is gonna bring the look to your eyes, and it's gonna make you look more awake, your eyes look bigger, you look like you're just like here doing your thing, you got this, you know what I mean? So I definitely think that mascara is a must. If you're gonna do anything out of all of this, it is a must to do the mascara. So the next thing that I do is I go into a shimmery blush. I'm gonna use this like creamy blush from Huda. And what I do is I will just put a little on my cheeks to give it a little rosy look. And if you look with the shimmer blush, it's gonna make your cheeks look so glowy naturally that you won't really need any highlighter there. Now obviously if you would like highlighter you can, but the reason that I go in with this is because I feel like it does both. It gives me that red or a little pink of a look, but also put shimmer there so I don't have to really worry too much about a highlighter. But if I do decide to skip the blush, like if my cheeks, because I have naturally red cheeks, so if my cheeks are already red as it is, I will just skip that part and then I will go in with a liquid highlighter. I'm not going to go in with the liquid highlighter there, but I'll go in with a liquid highlighter on my cheekbones and on my nose and just dab that out with my finger. So I used the Glow On by Tarte. It's a nice liquid highlighter, and I will literally just put it up the bridge of my nose. If I don't use a shimmer highlight, then I will pop it here as well. But because I did use a shimmer blush, I will not be using the liquid highlighter on my face today. But even just alone with the nose highlight and the cheeks, like I just look like I'm glowing way more than before. And it's super simple. It's super simple. Look how easy that was. Like, super easy. So the next thing and the last thing really is going to be your lip item. So I chose to just do the lip crayon that came with the KKW palette. You can use any lip product you want. I do recommend when you're doing something like this for it to be a cream or a gloss, just something a little more natural. If you want to glam it up, you can use a matte liquid lipstick or bold color. But I just feel like it looks better when I do like this kind of glowy natural look with like a nude lip crayon or lip pencil. So I am going to go ahead and top that lip color off with a lip gloss. Usually if I use a lip gloss, I'll just put it on the bottom lip. I just felt like that lip crayon was a little bit too light for my skin tone, so I just wasn't the biggest fan. But that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you really like this easy, natural tutorial. I think that you can use whatever you want to make it a little bit bolder or a little bit more unique to you. But I just wanted to give you guys a super easy makeup tutorial that anyone can follow, that you have these items laying around your house, which I'm sure you do. It's a nude brown and a shimmer. And literally, it just makes your whole face just look so glowy and so soft. Again, if you have little imperfections you want to cover, find a concealer that is close to your skin tone as you're gonna get, and go ahead and just pop it on and blend it out with your fingers, and then you don't need a full face of foundation. Not every time you go out of the house you want to be in full glam, so this is just a very easy, very quick makeup tutorial that you can do on a regular basis. Like, this is what I look like for the most part, if I even have this much makeup on. I usually only do like full glam, full beat when I'm on YouTube or Instagram, or I'm going somewhere important. So I hope you guys really like this video. Just make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!